And then I'll go in tomorrow and it'll be fine. But for today, I was like, nope, am grumpy. Do not talk to me. And there's Damien just screaming in the other office. If y'all can hear him on my mic, you need to tell me so I can close his door. He left his door wide open. Time to go. Have a great night. KB, you have a nice night as well. I hope that stir fry treated you well. Too much stockinette in the round kills my brain. I think it's because I don't have to pay attention to it. Like, I knit in the theater on vanilla socks. And, like, do not think about it. I've had a week, 10 years. Years of friendship tossed out the window over stupidity. Oh, that's rough. That is rough. Come sit with us. We'll just knit and hang out. Of course you would. Before I started streaming, when we watched movies in theaters, I would take a vanilla sock into the theater with me, and I'd be like, how long is Avengers Endgame? It's about 4 inches long. Mary Poppins Returns was 3 inches. Dune was 3.5. But now we don't do movie theaters because it's gross and the floors are sticky. And Damien just never wants to put on pants again, which is a sentiment I understand very well. We may have to break our rule because I think Glass Onion is either out or it's coming out. That's the second Knives Out movie that I desperately want to see. Brought my knitting to a movie and heard someone say that's a great idea. Yeah, it is. Yarnho, hello. Can we even talk about the price of movies? Yeah. Well, so one of the movie theaters near us, well, our local movie theater, I should say, has like really good matinee prices. Specifically, because it's a small theater. Specifically Tuesday nights, it used to be like, oh, something stupid. It was like $6 tickets if you went on a Tuesday night. And it was fantastic because like none of the parents could go, but I was like, out of my way. I don't need to worry about that. Am not parent. For whatever reason, we purled this stitch instead of knitting it, so we're just gonna fix that. Apparently there was one more I forgot to fix. So that was nice. But now we both stream on Tuesdays, and I hate humans, so that doesn't really work out as well anymore. String player, hello. I'm working on, I had brioche envy. Because my brain wanted brioche, but I'm only knitting the unicornucopia on stream. So I have a brioche project that, has been on the back burner for a while, but needed to be frogged and redone. So I resurrected it.